Okay, here, dear friends, in this exercise, we will create a visual appealing bar plot. We will use a bar plot to compare movie scores. You are given five movies with scores from some Rotten Tomatoes and tomato meter in the percentage of approved tomato meter critics who have given a positive review for the movie. Okay, the audience scores in the percentage of users who have given a score of 3.5 or higher out of 5. Okay, so compare these two scores among the five movies. Here what we have just given here, just the as a first step, we have imported the necessary modules. Then next we have located the exact data set and we have loaded it. And next, using the Matplotlib, we are just going to create a visual appealing bar plot. So comparing the two scores for all five movies. Okay, so let me just do one by one. And as a part of the first step, I have imported the libraries. Yeah, it is done. And secondly, I'm just moving on to load the exact data set. For your info, I have executed this too. And see here, dear friends, when coming to the Matplotlib, here we want to make use of the comparing the two scores for all five movies. And here, use the movie title as label for the x-axis and use the percentage at intervals of 20 for the y-axis. That is what we have specified here. Okay, in this x ticks and y ticks label, and minor ticks at intervals of 5. Okay, and as a legend and a suitable title to the plot, here we have included. And for your information, here it is the exact code, each and everything I have just specified it for what we have included. So for the first one is the tomato meter, and we have specified the tomato meter. And second, the audience score. Okay, and as this was given by the tomato meter thing, where each and every scores as 3.5 to 5, it was specified. And one after comparison, the exact bar plot has been executed. And see here, dear friends, here the line style, that is here one thing we have specified, that is the grid. Here we have specified the line style that is included in this plotting, added to that. And we have just included the legend and making that difference between the tomato meter and to that audience score for the exact five movies. And next one, for plotting it, we have made the rotation of 10, that is 10 degree, to rotate it, as even though if we are having the exact, see actually when on making it, if we are not making it as a 10 degree, each and every name, that is the axis, it would be overlapping. So for that, it would be easy to have a rotation. Here I have just specified it as a minimum of 10 degree. You can just make use of any other thing to be easily legible. And yeah, nothing much more in this. Actually, here for DPI, I have just specified 300. And yeah, all the things that which we have been specified as the objective of this activity, it was included.